Hello, welcome to World on a String Designs. I have just today received my February 2026 yarn Bliss box. This is from the Speckled Finch Studios and it is a yarn subscription box. So we are going to open it up and see what's inside, and you can see this time I have not yet opened the box, so we're all going to be surprised together. Ooh, it looks like we have llamas. Alright. So the way she packages them, she has a yarn underneath and this lovely little pocket, and the presentation is just so wonderful on these. So let's pull these out one by one. This is our inspiration photo. Time for a crafty adventure? No problema. Alpaca my project bag. That's adorable. And then we have, on the back of the card, we have her socials, we have a QR code for details on the box and other helpful tidbits. And then we have a list of everything that's included in the box. And so this is a llama tassel maker. This is by Chippy's Knittery. Very cute. And we have a stitch marker, a cool alpaca on it, and this is by Art by Erica H. and Rebel Stitchers. And then we also have hopefully the glare is not too bad on that. We have a alpaca lollipop, and that is by Choice Alpaca Products. So let's have a peek at what's inside for the yarn. Ooh, we have bonus goodies this month. Every now and then we get bonus goodies. A little bonus gift just because. Alpaca Llama Sticky Notes by the Yarn Bliss Box. I am the Post-it queen, so I love sticky notes. And these will get put to good use. Very adorable. And the yarn, oh my goodness, so this is a nice, like, sort of chocolate brown. And this is Alpaca My Project Bag. And very lovely brown. And then we have No Problema. Oh, those are just so gorgeous together. And this has like purplish tones in this one, along with like sort of a yellowish as well, in addition to the chocolate brown. This is so rich and gorgeous. I love this. So that is what we have for this month. And if you are inspired to pick up your own subscription box from Speckled Finch Studios, you will find an affiliate code in the video description below. And if you use the coupon code that's down there as well, then you will get $5 off your first box when you subscribe. So there we have it. This is the February 2026 Yarn Bliss box by the Speckled Finch. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.